This video is special for 100K subscribers. Thanks everyone for supporting me. And this is special pack for 100K subscribers. In this pack you'll get 36 smooth transitions, 10 title animations, 17 lower thirds, 20 cinematic LUTs, and 15 cinematic sounds. Let's see a quick preview of this pack.
Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done.
First you need to download this pack, under the description. Inside this pack, you'll get 36 smooth transitions, 20 cinematic LUTs, 17 lower thirds, 15 cinematic sound effects, and 10 title animations. Now let's see how to use them in Premiere Pro. To import the transition preset, go to Window, and select Effects. Right-click on Presets bin, then Import Presets. Now select the 36 Smooth Transitions preset. Open the Presets bin, and this is the Presets pack. Here you'll get 10 categories of presets. As you can see inside the block, 7 type of presets. For every transitions, we have to use 2 presets. L preset for the left side, and R preset for the right side. Now let's see how to use them. This is my 2 clips. Go to the center between these 2 clips. Then cut 10 frames each side. So click Shift plus right arrow key 2 times. And make a cut here. And click Shift plus left arrow key 4 times. And make another cut here. Now apply the presets. R preset to the right side, and L preset to the left side. That's it. So it's pretty easy to use. And all other transition presets are the same process to use. Go to Window. Then open Essential Graphics tab. In Essential Graphics tab, click here. Then select Manage Additional Folders. Now add the Title Animations folder. Select all to Title Animations folder. And here you can see the preview all of these titles. Then select the title and drag it to Timeline. Select the title, and click on Edit. And here you can customize everything. Title text lines. Change the font. And change the font size. Change the colors. Also you can customize the stroke. Let's make it small a little bit. And change the title position. Now let's preview this. So that's it for title animation. And all other titles are same process to use. Now let's see how to use lower thirds. Again, add the lower thirds folder. In Local, select the lower thirds, and remove the title animations. So here you can see the preview lower thirds only. Now select the lower third, and drag it to Timeline. To edit this, select the lower third, and edit the username. Let's change the font. Also, you can change the colors. Let's change the position and scale it a little bit down. Now let's preview this. And that's it for lower thirds. Let's see how to use LUT presets. Copy this LUTs pack. Then open the local drive, Program Files, Adobe. Then Adobe Premiere Pro, Lumetri, LUTs, Creative, and paste the LUTs pack here. Now let's open Premiere Pro. And I'm going to open my old project. Then go to Window and open Lumetri Color. Inside the Creative tab, select None, and here you'll see all the LUT presets. To use this LUTs, make a new adjustment layer and put it above the clip. Then select the adjustment layer. Again, click on None. Then choose a LUT preset. Click here to check the before and after. And if you think it's too much, then just decrease the intensity. Now it looks better than before. So that's it for today. Hope that you enjoy this pack, and you can get more, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.